Sí. Okay. ¿Este cambio de 3 recámaras?
3 recámaras y hay de 4 recámaras.
Oh, okay.
Ya me dejaron pasar, pero nadie sabe que de casas nuestras ni de nada.
Okay, so this is the first house that we're seeing. This is going to be, I think it's going to be a 3 or 4 bedroom. We're in the colonia se llama Zensia. And this is out in Concal, which is kind of right outside the periférico. So, ¿es la cerrada? So we're trying to get in right now. I'm going to walk around to the other side. You can, oh, so we can't go around this way. No, you can't. So right now we can't get in. Yeah, not strong. Okay, so we're gonna see this one. This is gonna be, I think, a 3 bedroom. You ready? Yeah. So we're going in. We're trying to get in right now. Okay, so we're gonna go this way. So we going through. So this would be, yeah. So this would be like a service area. And you put the washer and dry it right here. Then we come around to the service. They call it service entrance. And we should go right into the kitchen. Yep. Okay. Into the kitchen area from the service entrance. Then you got your dining room area. I'm gonna go straight into the backyard. So from the dining room, you can go straight into the backyard. Okay. It's wet. Yeah, it's wet. Está mojado. Come back into. Okay. From here, go to the left when you come in through the back door, and this is going to be a bedroom. Should be a restroom. There's a full restroom right here. Go inside, you got tall ceilings in here, shower, course, from the bedroom, you can also go into the backyard. We would definitely have to have a pool. So, okay, then you come out the bedroom. We got a little area here, which is like a little garden area, but it's actually from inside the house, and you look up there. So it's pretty cool. Okay, then we got a half bath downstairs for your kids. And this is like your living room entrance right here. It's kind of small. For me, it's small. Be careful, they don't have no rails here, so we'll go upstairs. So you go upstairs, you come into what would be, I guess this is going to be a room. It would be a room. Got a view of the backyard. And of course, rooftop on notice, rooftop terrace, and not that we'll find out. Should have a bathroom in here. That does. So it's a complete bathroom. Yeah, it's tall ceilings. Okay, going back out. Door. So y'all back out of here. Back out the room. Then we got a little closet right here, little shelving area. Then we go straight into another room. So this is the third bedroom. So, wow. Okay. So you can see the room size. Okay. And, okay. So this is going to be like your, what they were considering walk-in closet. Once you actually put your closet space in here. It's not your traditional closets like in the United States, but they put the little shelf closet space in here. And then here's the master bedroom, shower area, bathroom. Again, with the tall ceilings. And we come out, we're gonna go here. I'll give you a view from the shower area so you can kind of see how quiet it is. Okay. And we're coming out of the bathroom. Okay. And from the end of the walk-in closet, and we go straight out. Okay. Okay, so that is it to this one. And we're going back downstairs, and that's it. What you get on this one? Okay, so we're going to go see a different model number. We're going to go see model J. The one we just left, she said, was model D. So we're here to see model J.
Model J is $29,995.
29,995. 29,900. So basically 29. It might be 95. Somewhere in there. Yeah. I'm not going to say 3.
¿Por qué no los vendes?
Uno, nada más que salga ahí lo voy a vender. Estamos muy viejitos, mejor lo voy a dar 30, 40, cuando mucho. Y es un vuelto que te llevan ya. Después me dure, me pasa una camioneta. Después para llevar cosas de te dice una que después de
This is going to be model J. Okay, so we got to go through here. Yeah.
Pero ese sería el lugar.
Okay. So she said that would be the, if you chose it, that would be the spot right there.
Oh, okay, right here.
Yeah, the one right here in front of you.
Okay.
Yeah. So look like C100.
Okay.
So we walk down here. If we're going to go C1, that back there was C100, that spot. If we chose this one, that would be the spot that we actually picked. So we're right here. I don't know if y'all can see. I'll try to raise it. We're right here by the playground. So looking at the outside of it here, so this is directly in front. So this is Modelo J. So it's Model J. Okay, so we go in. Okay. So this is the wash area right here for washing and dryer. This will be the area right here for the wash and dryer.
Medio baño de visitas y área social, sala, comedor.
Okay, so the half bath right here. This is your living room area right up in here. Then right where they're at right here. This is the dining room.
Esta casa, el modelo no tiene recámara en planta baja. ¿Lo tiene?
This is
El de planta baja es la de 4
Es la de
habitaciones.
4, sí que sería para agosto.
So this don't even have any bedrooms downstairs. Yeah, so no. No, yeah.
Ya planean Dios manda toda la construcción.
Okay. Well, unfortunately, y'all, this won't work. We don't have a, in this model, we don't have a bedroom downstairs. So that's a deal breaker. We definitely don't want all the bedrooms upstairs. I don't even want stairs, period. So that's a deal breaker on this one. So, all right, we'll talk with y'all later.